Could you have prevented crashing the database and bringing down the company's most important applications? Could you have prepared for the mechanical failure that brought production to a grinding halt? Well, you can't eliminate risk from your business entirely, but you can prevent and mitigate it. Introducing KT's Risk Mitigation Workshop, our one-day experiential learning approach that provides practical risk mitigation tools through hands-on practice to give you the skills to plan and implement actions to reduce the likelihood or impact of unforeseen problems, to respond with agility, and to stay in control. Our 5-step approach to risk mitigation covers understanding what tasks require a risk mitigation plan, identifying what could go wrong, pinpointing what could cause those potential problems, assessing the options to mitigate those problems, then writing this thinking into an actionable plan. These steps are completed in the risk simulator, where you will measure and reflect upon the quality of your risk mitigation plan against multifaceted scenarios, all of which take place in a safe-to-fail environment where practice makes perfect and where you can experience how fast and frequent risk mitigation thinking can make a real difference. For those who deal with day-to-day changes, fixes, and maintenance, both big and small, our Risk Mitigation Workshop offers the process and discipline to ensure your operations stay up and running and your assets and reputation are protected. Are you ready to future-proof your organization? Contact us to learn more about risk mitigation today.